Welcome guys. On this video, I'm going to show you how to see your search history and also to clear it if you want to, and maybe revisit your search history. Now, there are two different search history. First is the post search, and then the second is the video search. These two can actually play a role. So when you want to clear your search history, be sure of the one you want to clear. Now, if you are ready, let's go ahead and do that. So to start, go ahead and visit your profile icon by clicking on your profile image, and then click on the three-dotted icon next to your edit profile. Then you are going to see the activity log. You click on activity log. Now, the first you are going to see the videos you have searched, which is the video part. You click on that, and then you are going to see every video you've searched. This is just the video I searched today. Now, if I want to revisit it, I click on enter. Hold on guys, you cannot actually revisit this because this is a video that I just searched. So you can see this is just a word. You can always go back to the word and then you search that same word. This is the word I searched. So if I want to delete this, I can just click on the three-dotted icon next to it and then hit delete. Now, if there are multiple, you are going to see an option to clear search history, but there is no other one apart from this. And I just searched for this today because of this tutorial. Now, let me go ahead and go back. And now the next search, you can notice right there, it says your search history. You click on your search history right there, and you're going to see everything you search, including the video. This is the video right there, and there are other ones. I search for my name. And information, guys, when you visit a profile, it assumes you search for that. So this is me going to my profile. You notice it says Trust Stanley. This is still my name. And if you keep scrolling, you keep saying Trust Stanley, Trust Stanley. That is because I'm visiting my profile. So if somebody visited a profile, it assumes that is the person's name. So I'm going to prove that to you later on a different video. Now, when you keep scrolling down, you keep seeing different name. This is UFC, this is UFC, this is Esther. So this is Modesta rather. So there are different names. If you keep scrolling down, you keep seeing different name. Now, what if you want to visit the old search history? Now, to do that, you click on the date right here. The date is under the left. It's on the left area. You click on the date, and then you click on, you notice where it says all, you click on that so that it will show a drop down. Now, you select the specific date you want to visit the history. Now, let me say 2002, and then hit save. I do not have anything for 2002, and then let me go ahead and click on different one, 2003. The thing is, I really did not spend much time searching for anything on Facebook. If it's not Google, I rarely search for things. And on 2024, I visited Fortune. I do not know this name, so I cannot remember. And then Okafor God Gift, that is my younger brother. I searched for him. And then I searched for him also multiple times. And Stella, I do not know this person. I do not know this person, but I searched for multiple names I do not know. Maybe I was looking for somebody I cannot remember. So if you want to delete them, you can hit delete manually, or you scroll up to the top and then you do clear search. Now, if you do clear search, it's going to clear everything based on that particular year. If you still go back to 2025, you are still going to see all of the 2025 displaying for you. Oh, it actually cleared everything, including the 2025. All right, guys. I guess they are not perfect anyway. So I think this is a bug because I selected 2023 and I click on clear search and it cleared everything. So, but anyway, do not make the same mistake I make. I don't even need a search anyway. But if you need some search, make sure you delete individually so that you will not make the same mistake that I did. And that is all for today's video. I feel embarrassed with this mistake. I wish I've actually practiced this before now. On my subsequent video, I'm going to do that. So I keep improving every day. Thank you guys for watching the video. If it helped, share the video with your friends, like and comment. If you comment, it helps the video to actually get seen by other people that are looking for the same thing. So do comment on the video if it helped you, and also share it. It's also helped my channel to grow, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you and stay safe.